Last time in the magical garden, you helped Benny and his friends find all the special ABC flowers, but the adventure wasn't over.
Look, the garden made a path just for us, and it leads to that big rainbow. I wonder what's waiting on the other side.
I see sparkles and gems. Are those numbers?
Let's follow the glowing trail and find out. Will you come with us?
Get ready, explorers. It's time to count your way through the Rainbow Gem Hills.
Wow, look at this magical place. It's sparkling with number gems. The garden must have brought us here to begin a new adventure, one filled with numbers.
Let's find all the gems from 1 to 10. Are you ready to help?
Let's start with number 1. Keep your eyes open.
Here's number 1. One shiny gem. Can you show one finger?
Now let's find number 2. Two sparkling gems. Let's clap 2 times. Clap, clap.
I can see number 3.
Number 4.
I found number 5.
Here is number 6.
I can see number 7 gem.
Here comes 8.
Number 9 gem.
Oh no, the last gem is hiding. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Count with us.
1, 2,
3.
4.
5.
6.
7.
8.
9.
10.
We did it. You're amazing counters. Let's count all the gems we found. Ready?
1, shining like the sun. 2, balloons just for you. 3, buzzing little bees. 4, flowers at your door. 4, flowers at your door. Heat. Count with me, come along, let's all sing the counting song. 5, happy fish that dive. Toa down. 6, tucks to funny tricks. 7, stars up in heaven. 8, cookies on my plate. 9, apples on a vine. 10, let's count again. 1 to 10, we've reached the end. Counting's fun with all our friends.
Thanks for helping us find all the magical number gems. Counting helps your brain grow strong, just like the magic in Rainbow Gem Hills. Parents, counting through play and music builds early math skills and memory. Encourage your child to count toys, steps, or snacks at home.
See you next time for another adventure in Story Bloom.